Hello everybody, welcome back to NormanCamera. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Z7 with the 24-70 kit. So it looks like when you get this kit, it comes with the Z7 and then the lens in separate boxes. Alright, we're going to unbox the lens first. Comes with a lens cleaning cloth that says Nikon, and then you just have it bubble wrapped in there like most lenses are in their boxes. Looks like a super solid lens. Not made from plastic, you can feel the coolness of the aluminum. Let's take a look at that mount. I haven't yet seen this mount. Definitely not as big as I had imagined it to be, but it's pretty big. All right. So this is a constant f4 24-70. That's a really nice lens to have for a camera like this. I'm gonna stick that back in there. What else comes with the lens? You get a lens hood, and that's about it in there. And then the second thing in the box is the Z7. Now, I'm excited to see this. I've heard the mount looks huge. I'm excited. Okay, so just like any camera unboxing, you do get your paperwork up in front, as always. Okay, and then when you get a look in there, you get a piece of cardboard covering up the camera body. Take the camera body out, it's all wrapped up. And then you get your accessories in there too. So it looks like you get a USB-C to USB cable, a Nikon Z7 camera strap. You get a battery charger. Okay, so you got a modular battery charger with this. So you can plug in a cord and have this just be a corded battery charger, or you could just plug in this little thing right here and have it be a wall plug-in charger. So that's pretty nice. So you've got your battery here, pretty chunky one. You don't have to have two chargers if you want both of those. So then you got a USB-C charger as well. I like how everything's kind of switching over to USB-C. It's amazing. And that's it for what's in the box. Mostly just charging and cables. There's nothing special that comes with it. And then the Z7 itself. Now, just initial weight impressions. This is pretty light for a camera. Oh man, that build. That's a solid feeling camera. That grip feels amazing. Your pinky doesn't fall off on the end like some of the Sony cameras do. You definitely have enough on there to firmly hold it, even if you had a large lens on there. I would not be worried. Fairly skinny body, very square looking. Let's look at the screen. That's a huge screen. It's huge. That's very solid feeling. This whole door is like the entire corner of the camera. Put that back in there. All the buttons are squishy, they're not very clicky. Easy to navigate with these buttons. Very comfortable. Fairly quick too. Looks like you have a button that you press to switch your settings. You have a little LCD screen on the top, all your navigation tools and setting changers. All your dials feel very clicky and tactile, very nice feeling. Now, I want to see how the mount looks on here in the sensor on there. Wow, that mount is huge. Looks like you got a couple buttons up front too. Looks like you got your mic port, your headphone jack, a USB-C plug-in, an HDMI plug-in. Pretty sure that's for a shutter release. Again, super solid, very tactile. And that's pretty much everything in the box and my initial impressions with the Z7. Pretty cool camera. I would be excited to shoot with this for a little bit. Very solid feeling camera. If you want to see a review of this camera or some pictures from this camera, please leave a like on this video, and please leave a comment down below on what you'd like me to shoot with it. Do you want me to do landscape photography, portrait photography? What do you do, and what would you like to see? Amazing little camera, and I would be very excited to make a video about it. All right, anyways, if you haven't joined the NormanCamera family yet, All you have to do is subscribe to join, and I would be excited to see you in the next video. So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.